Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is a bit off from the regular content that I make, but yeah, the resolution I've taken this year that I should be healthy, eat healthy and be healthy, go to gym properly and everything. So I was just cooking and I wanted to show what I'm cooking, and I'm gonna show the entire meal, all three meals, because I'm planning another video for that, like meal prep. So I'm gonna take you through this. It's very easy. It takes you around 10 to 15, mostly around 20 minutes, not more than that, because it's just chopping vegetables and everything. So the chicken's gonna take 7 to 8 minutes to cook, and everything else is gonna take 10 minutes for chopping. At least I'm fast, so depends on how you're making it work. And that's it. Yeah, just I hope you guys like the video, and maybe you should try it once. It's really easy and really filling. So yeah, I want you to try it and let me know in the comments or on my Insta. I'll leave my links in the description. And yeah, don't mind my face because I'm like this when I'm cooking. I'm not so glam. Yeah, I guess that's it. Also, this is for lunch, and what I've done for breakfast is banana honey smoothie. You should head over to my Instagram and check the recipes highlight so that you'll know what all I made and how easy it is to make them and still stay healthy. So bye. I'll meet you guys in another video. I'll see you guys in another video. Also, yeah, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I post. Thank goodness. Yeah, I got that right. And that's it. Yeah, see the dark circles, you see the pigmentation. I just want to get rid of all of them because I'm almost 23 and I'm not even taking care of my health that much. So yeah, I should do that. Okay, bye.